How to install SketchUp for free. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can install SketchUp for free. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is make sure that your software or your iOS software is up to date to its latest version so you can download SketchUp's latest version as well. So for that, head over to your settings, then find your general, tap on it, then head over to software update. Then check if there is any software update available, and if there is, simply update it. Doing that, you can then head over to your App Store, and on your App Store, what you'll need to do is search for SketchUp. So search for SketchUp, and then you should find SketchUp app right here. Open up your SketchUp, and now you can download it. Simply tap on the install button right there, and the download process should begin. And it's basically that simple. After the download, you can open it up, create your account, and start using SketchUp. Thanks for watching, guys. That is how you install SketchUp for free. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye-bye.